Hello friends and my dear students. So we are meeting again after a long gap. My personal commitment and my daughter's admission, since she has given her grade 12 and various entrance exams, her counseling sessions, all were due. So that has not given me any opportunity to connect with you all. So now I thought of rejoining with you all with a new presentation on career opportunities for PCB students. So those students who are not interested in NEET, those who are not appearing for the NEET entrance, and they are looking for some career which are directly indirectly related to the field of sciences, this presentation of mine will definitely help you in that direction. So let's get started. So the first career in my list is botany. It's a study of plants which involve their structure, processes, growth, etc. And those who are in this field of botany, they can conduct research, observation to discover new species. They study the interactions of plants with different organisms in their environment, genetic formation of plants, etc. The various opportunities which are available to work as a teacher, professor, as a researcher, as a taxonomist, environmental consultant, even can work as horticulturist, nursery manager, environmental consultant, to mention few career opportunities. Now, the top colleges to study botany are Delhi University, various colleges, St. Xavier's College, Mumbai, Loyola College, St. Teresa College, Stella Maris College, Ferguson College, Pune, Mount Carmel College, Christ University, Bangalore, Presidency College, Kolkata, St. Joseph College, Bangalore, to name few. Next career in my list is zoology. Now, this is another exciting field which involves the study of animals, their interaction with the uh, various species in details by observing animals in their natural habitat as well as in laboratories. And the person who studies animal, they are called zoologist. The various career opportunities available, they range from researcher to teacher, professor in schools and colleges, to animal breeder, wildlife rehabilitator, wildlife biologist, zoo curator, conservationist, to mention few. Now, the leading colleges in India to study zoology are St. Xavier's College, Kolkata, St. Xavier's College, um, Presidency College, Kolkata, Alberta College, Oxford College of Science, Delhi University, various colleges, Loyola College, Christ University, Bangalore, Madras Christian College. Now, third in my list is microbiology. Now, this is a science which deals with the study of microorganisms ranging from virus, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae, etc., and their interactions on the human being, plant, animal, and other organism in the environment. So the microbiologists are the one who does research and investigate how different microorganisms affect our lives. It consists of various subfields, like if you are doing study on virus and virology, if you are study in fungi, which is mycology, if you are doing study in algae, algology, and in protozoa, it is parasitology. So various career opportunities ranges from working in pharmaceuticals, clinical research, research scientist, lab technician, quality control, health sector, food industries, breweries, distilleries, and agriculture. Top colleges in India include Delhi University, various colleges, Oxford College of Science, Madras Christian College, Ferguson College, Pune, Ethiraj College for Women, Osmania University, Hyderabad, Punjab University, to name few. Next career in my bucket is biochemistry. Now, it's a branch of science that involves the study of chemical processes and substances which occur within living organisms. So it's a laboratory-based science that brings together biology and chemistry. And the various career opportunities for biochemistry individual ranges from biomedical scientists. They can serve as biomedical scientists, which is an upcoming career option. Forensic scientist, which is also a new age career. Then clinical laboratory technologist, toxicologist, research scientist, healthcare scientist, pharmaceutical sales representative, consultant, patient care coordinator, and above all, they can work as teacher or professor in the medical college as well. And top universities in India for the study of biochemistry includes Delhi University, various colleges, and Xavier's College, Mumbai, Presidency University, Kolkata, BHU, Banaras Hindu University, Aligarh Muslim University, Ferguson College, Pune, Christian Medical College, Madras. Next career in line is environmental science. And now, environmental science is an essential field in the current world and involves the study of physical, chemical, and biological component of the environment and their interaction. And the individual who studies the environment, they are called environmental scientists. They investigate environmental issues such as global warming, pollution, ozone depletion, waste management, and the other global issues for the sustainability and work for the sustainable management and how these issues can be dealt with. Carbon emission, these are the burning issues of 21st century. And the career opportunities, they can be hired for research work or by industries such as mines, water treatment plant, fertilizer plants, and different government department. They can work in as a part of member of pollution control board, and they can contribute in the field of agriculture and forestry. Top colleges in India: Delhi University, various colleges, Mount Carmel College, Ferguson College. Now you should note that environmental science as a specialization in India is offered mostly at the PG level. So very few, uh, I mean hardly any college is there where at UG level you can study environmental science. This provision is available abroad. Next career in the list is genetics. It's an interesting field, involves the study of genes and their functions, genetic variations, genetic diseases, inheritance, and heredity of living organisms. So it's very much related to the real life situations, and professionals who are in this field, they study genetic diseases, the various anomalies of the chromosomal abnormalities, traits, mutations, how genes are transmitted, and interactions of the genes with their environment. So genetics can apply this knowledge to as diverse area as treating patients with genomic anomalies to developing pharmaceutical products. Now, career opportunities for the genetist ranges from they serve as genetists, immunologists, cytogenetists, forensic DNA analysts, medical technologists, then pharmacologists, clinical research associate, research scientist, etc. Top colleges in India uh, include the Oxford College of Science, Osmania University, Hyderabad, Guru Nanak Dev University, Kurukshetra University, Bangalore City College, Institute of Genetic Engineering. So these colleges have specific study of UG program for genetics. However, there are not many excellent universities in India offering this stream, but it is preferred to pursue your education abroad as there are better educational and career avenues for genetics. And the global hub for genetics is Australia and USA. Lots of research going on. Next career in the line is bioinformatics. So this is a field which is a combination of statistics, biology, and computer science. So it's a combination of biology, computer science, and information technology, along with the mathematical skills, that is statistics. So professional in this field work on developing and using tools and techniques for analyzing biological data. Um, so for example, a bioinformatics professional, they develop a software for accessing and analyzing data from biomedical and pharmaceutical studies. So their basically job is to prepare a software for accessing and analyzing data which is provided from biomedical and pharmaceutical studies. Now, the various career opportunities for bioinformatics includes they work as a bioinformatics analyst, developer with pharmaceutical and biotechnological companies. And I must tell you, this is an upcoming career. Children from, it's an interdisciplinary science, multidisciplinary science, very much in line with the national education policy principles. And this is a career to look out for the next decade. And clinical research associate, you can work as bioanalyst, medical coder, to name few. Now, top colleges in India includes Punjab University, Stella Maris College, Bangalore University, Mumbai University, All India Institute of Medical Sciences. They also provide course in bioinformatics. Savitri Bai Phule Pune University, Institute of Bioinformatics and Applied Biotechnology, University of Delhi, etc. Now, next career in my bucket is physiology. Now, it is a study of human body, bodily functions, activities, and mechanism of living organism, especially related to humans. So, who are physiologists? They generally study a wide variety of topics, including organs, their anatomy, and, study about cell, biological compound, muscles, and how they interact and work together to keep the body functional. In addition to studying human physiology, there are other branches in the field, including plant physiology, cellular physiology, microbial physiology, etc. And this field has enormous career opportunities ranging from clinical exercise physiologist to biomedical scientist to physiotherapist, sports physiologist, researcher, and teacher or professor in the universities. Top colleges in India include UG courses are offered by Presidency College and Presidency University, Kolkata, and master degree are offered by Manipal University, University of Madras, and University of Calcutta in physiology. Now, marine biology. It's a field of knowledge involving the study of marine organism. Marine flora, marine fauna include their behavior, the interactions with the environment. It's in another career, you can say, which is related to the fishery science. So the field of marine biology is quite diverse, and there is no single job by the name of marine biologist. And this title can be held by any professional who are closely involved with marine life and organism. So you can work as aquaculturist, fishery biologist, environmental consultant, researcher, etc. Top colleges in India: Indian Maritime University, University of Madras, Pondicherry University, and National Institute of Oceanography. These are very specific institutes, a university providing courses in the marine biology. Next career in line is biotechnology. So it's a field that combines biology with the technology. Now this field, again, it's an interdisciplinary, multidisciplinary approach. It has now, I mean, it is considered as a biotechnology engineering as well. So it is included under the technology field, like along with various other traditional engineering courses. This has come out as an emerging career in the field of engineering. So coming back to the technology, biotechnology field, it utilizes living organisms such as living cells and tissues, bacteria in the industrial processes. So when we talk about packaging, when we talk about milk production, pasteurization, uh, making of medicine, then this bakery industry, all or you can say production of vinegar. And if you have heard about the production of commercial production of insulin, so all these are part of biotechnology. So a biotechnology professional work on different areas to improve our life, including developing cleaner, safer fuel, improving crop yield, improving the production of food items, developing drugs to deal with the deadly disease, etc. So biotechnology professionals, they work on different areas to improve our life, including uh, the, you can say, making research in the field of medicines, in the field of packaging, I told you. I mean, directly or indirectly, this is very much related to the real life situation and very much relevant in our present. And the career opportunities ranging from working in pharmaceutical industry to healthcare, genetics, clinical research. You can work in the government organization, the private organization, in the field of agriculture, animal husbandry, nutrition, in cosmetics, marine biology, then environmental conservation, waste management. So in every field, I mean, this field, this branch is such which is directly, indirectly involved in every aspect of the life. And these biotechnologists are hired by various industries, as I have mentioned. Now you can work as sales and marketing, in quality control, in administration, lab assistant, field technician. Top colleges in India are Ferguson College, Pune, Loyola College, Presidency University, Christ University, Mount Carmel College, Madras Christian College, Jawaharlal Nehru University, Jamia Millia Islamia, Manipal University, etc. Now, next career in the line is biophysics. Now, biophysics, it's a study of organism at the cellular and the molecular level. So it's a very fine field, refined field, using the methods and approaches of physics. So it's again an interdisciplinary field branch where the physics and biology are their concepts are interrelated, and they're applied in the concepts of physics are applied in biology. So it's an advancing field involving state-of-the-art technology, physical measurements, and computational models. So career opportunities, you can work as clinical biophysicist, forensic biophysicist, nutritional biophysicist, professor, research scientist in various government and private organizations, as a nuclear medical biophysicist as well. Top colleges in India include University of Madras, University of Mumbai, Punjab University, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Aligarh Muslim University, to name few. Now, next career is biomedical sciences. Now, biomedical science, it's an again interrelated field or interdisciplinary science. It's an applied science that combines different aspects of different disciplines to develop interventions, technology, and knowledge in the domain of healthcare. So biomedical scientists, they work to study how cells, organ, process function in the human body. So their work is applied to understand in the treatment of diseases. So like when we see the dialysis machine, so dialysis machine helps in the process of the entire dialysis, but who are behind the making of that machine? The it's an engineering part of it, but application is in the field of medical. Similarly, pacemakers or contact lenses. So these are all applied in the medical field, but they're you can say during the preparation or the making part, the concepts of physics are applied. So it's a interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary sciences. So you can work as a biomedical scientist, clinical research, forensic scientist, toxicologist, immunologist, healthcare professional. It's a relatively new yet fast expanding field in India. Next career in line is food and agriculture. So it's a wide domain consisting of various fields which are related to understanding of biological and chemical processes that affect plants, dairy, and the production of food. It includes fields such as food science and technology, agronomy, horticulture, agricultural engineering, dairy technology, etc. So it's a big bucket which includes many small, you can say, career opportunities. So you can work in as a process development scientist, product development scientist, agricultural consultant, agricultural manager, research and development, etc. And now, suppose if you want to go in other aspect, you can go for work as horticulturist, agriculture scientists, dairy technologists, then agricultural engineering, that is again considered under the engineering, and various IITs are providing course in this food and agriculture, soil scientists, plant scientists, animal nutritionist, etc. And the top colleges in India include Acharya N.G. Ranga Agricultural University, Govind Ballabh Pant University of Agriculture and Technology, Pantnagar, Mahatma Phule Krishi Vidyapith, Andhra University, Anand Agricultural University, then Sam Higginbotham Institute of Agriculture, Technology and Sciences, Indira Gandhi Agricultural University, Birsa Agricultural University, Tamil Nadu Agricultural University, and Maharana Pratap University of Agriculture, to name few. And last career in my bucket is the Allied Sciences. Now, if you are really keen on pursuing a medical career and yet you don't wish to go down to the challenging road of MBBS, then I think this domain, this allied medicine domain, is for you. It's a wide domain. As you can see, you can work in the field of physiotherapy, audiology, occupational therapy, medical lab technology, clinical research, radiology, in various aspects. So career path, colleges and opportunities for each of these careers are very vast. So it's a wide domain that consists of different healthcare careers that are distinct from doctors, but yet you are always assisting a doctor in their work. So if not directly, indirectly you are in that profession. So career opportunities, a common workplace for most of the career are the hospitals, or pathological labs are the primary workforce for medical lab technologists. For physiotherapists and occupational therapists, they can work in clinics and even set up their own private practice. Radio technicians, those who are taking CT scan, X-rays, all those things. Optometrists, those who are with their vision, they are involved in the this ophthalmology section. They work closely along with doctors to facilitate their work. Even clinical researchers essentially work on research projects in laboratories of hospitals, pharmaceutical, and in universities. Occupational therapists, like those who are there for like different areas of physiotherapy, like for uh, legs and arms, or neck, cervical area. So different occupational therapists are there. So they work on a one-to-one basis with clients and patients at various NGOs, special schools, social service department, etc. So top colleges in India for the allied medicine include AIMS, Jamia Hamdard University for optometry, Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Indian Institute of Public Health Administration, Christian Medical College, All India Institute of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation. For occupational therapy, Indian Institute of Clinical Research, Asian Institute of Health Sciences for Clinical Research, Christian Medical College. Then for radiology, there is Kasturba Medical College, Maulana Azad Medical College. For audiology, Armed Force, AFMC Pune. Then for physiotherapy, you can do from Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Institute for physically handicapped. Um, So I hope this video of mine has provided you some insight um, in various career opportunities for students who is not taking the you can say medicine as a career, or not going for NEET exam, or taken the NEET exam, could not succeed. So there are various other career opportunities. You should not be disheartened. So I always keep on saying that each and every career is important, provided you should have a passion for it. So find out your passion, your interest, your aptitude, your strengths and weaknesses, and based on that you take your career decision. Thank you so much.